Welcome to the Web Gold video on installing and configuring vHTAccess for Joomla 1.6, 1.7, or 2.5. The first thing that you're going to want to do is via FTP go into the base Joomla directory on your server. And in this case, you tell it's a base because you have administrator and components. You'll see these basic file structure that's right here. But what you want to do is you want to create a directory called MEMS. Once you've done that, unzip the package locally on your local machine that you got, which was vHTAccess 06 underscore unzip first. And when you unzip it, you're going to notice there's 4 files in there. What you want to do is you want to copy over to the MEMS directory on your server the index.html. At this point in time, you want to contact whatever payment processor you are using and tell them to install their regular user management system of vHTAccess, vHTPassword, and you want the vHTAccess to protect the MEMS directory on your server. So it'll be protecting this one right here. And what you need to do at this point is wait for them to get that script working. Once they tell you that they have it installed, what you're going to end up seeing is you're going to end up seeing in here an vHTAccess file which points to their directory structure somewhere else on the server that will read the password files. To make sure that it's installed properly, what you want to do is you want to go in via a browser and go to your site. In this case, it's adevwebschool.com, and you want to go to the MEMS directory, and you're going to be prompted to log in. And what you want to do is create a test user on their server. Like, for example, with CCBill, you can go in and create a test user and password. It'll write to the system. And then you want to try to log into this directory with that information. If you have done it correctly, you will see, if you see this test, this means the vHTAccess and vHTPassword scripts from the payment processor are working properly. Because this is the directory where vHTAccess will try to validate the users in the processor's vHTPassword file. The one thing to remember is, even though this is the MEMS directory, Joomla handles the delivery of the content. So the only thing that should be in this directory is the vHTAccess file from the processor, which points to their vHTPassword file, and the index.html that was part of the install package. Once you have gotten to this point right here, you can proceed with the next video. Thank you very much.